In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create an electronic signature and electronically sign PDF documents. You will want to make sure that you have Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer. This can be installed for free by downloading it from the internet. Click on the student signature box and click Configure ID. Then you're going to want to click on Create a new digital ID and click Continue. You're going to be able to save this signature to a file. Click Continue and then add your name and email address. It is not necessary to add your organizational unit or name. Once this is entered, click Continue. You are going to need a password for this signature, but first you're going to want to select a folder on your desktop or your computer where you can save your signature. Then choose a password for the signature. It's important that you have a password because we want to know that you are the one signing this document. Once that is completed, your digital signature is complete. Click Continue to sign the documents. You'll get a preview of what your signature will look like, and you'll be prompted to enter the password that you created previously. Enter your password and click Sign. You'll always be asked to save the document that's signed. Make sure to do that in a place where you can find it. Now you see the signature in that line. This is your digital signature. Now that you've created the signature, you can sign other documents as well, with the same digital ID that you found by entering your password that was created previously.